हेलो स्टूडेंट बी our going on his 23rd birthday composed by John Milton on his 23rd birthday. Composed by John Milton. We have discussed about the poem line by line in our previous classes. Today we are discussing about the summary of the poem, so you know what is the poem. In other words, we can say explanation of the poem. So let's we start our poem. John Milton is one of the most famous poets of English language. Even though the works are not many, John Milton is write it. You have write it in your notebook. John Milton is one of the most famous poets. John Milton is one of the most. John Milton is one of the most famous poets. Most famous poets of the English language. Of the English language. Of the English language. Even though his works are not many. Even though his works are not many, even though his works are not many, यहाँ तक मतलब यहाँ तक his works are not many, his works are not many, his works are not many. He is considered the greatest writer in English literature. He is considered the greatest writer in English. We are revising about the introduction to the poet because he is the greatest English poet. After the William Shakespeare, we can say John Milton is the greatest English poet. So John Milton is one of the most poets of English language. Even though his works are not many, he is considered the greatest writer in English literature. In John Milton's works, we can see the problem of English society. In John Milton works, in John Milton works, we can see the problems. We can see the problems. We can see the problems. We can see the problems of the English society, of the English society. In John Milton works, we can see the problems of English society and his own thought, and his own थ्रू और स्वयं की भी। एक तो इंग्लिश सोसाइटी जो अंग्रेजी समाज है उसकी समस्या है, और एक स्वयं की भी। स्वयं की कौन सी? कि 24 ईयर में कंप्लीटली वो ब्लाइंड हो गया, उनकी स्वयं की समस्या और अंग्रेजी समाज की जो समस्या है उन पर इन्होंने ज्यादा लिखा है। सच ए पोएम इज ऑन हिज हैविंग अराइव्ड एट द एज ऑफ 23। Problems of English society and his own through such a poem is such a poem is on his having arrived at the age of 23, arrived at the age of 23 और ओरिजिनल टाइटल मैंने आपको लिखाया था पोएम जो पढ़ाई थी, इसका जो ओरिजिनल टाइटल है ऑन हिज हैविंग अराइव्ड एट द एज ऑफ 23 बिकॉज इट शो द कंसर्न बिकॉज इट शो द कंसर्न 23 such a poem. He is considered the greatest writer in English literature. In John Milton works, we can see the problems of the English society and his own too. Such a poem or his having arrived at the age of 23. जो इसका ओरिजिनल टाइटल है ऑन हिज 23rd बर्थडे का, वो क्या है? ऑन हिज हैविंग अराइव्ड एट द एज ऑफ 23। Age of 23 because it show the concern 3 because it show the concern यानी anxiety similar word anxiety in Hindi चिंता that Milton had about his career. It showed a concern that Milton had about his career. Milton had career when he was young. When he was young. When he was young and still had not chosen his and still had not still had not chosen his own way in life. Choose his own way in life. Choose his own way in life. In this famous work, 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 in this famous work of his, in this famous work of his, we do not see a celebration. 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 We do not see a celebration of a birthday. Of a birthday. Of a birthday, but a problem that birthday, but a problem that but a problem that birthday, celebration of a birthday, but a problem that the young gentleman, that the young gentleman, that the young gentleman, face at this time, face at his time, face at his time, face at celebration of a birthday, but a problem that the young gentleman faced as time passed by. Time passes by. Time passes by. Because it shows the time. The author uses many metaphors. The author uses many metaphors. Because it shows the concern, chinta, anxiety that Milton had about his career when he was young and still had not. Because it shows the वो जो 23rd birthday क्या बता रहा है, चिंता that Milton had about his career, जो कि उसकी career के बारे में है मिल्टन की, when he was young, जबकि वो जवान हो चुका है, still had not choose his own way, और उसने अपना स्वयं का कोई रास्ता नहीं चुना है। मतलब वो 23rd ईयर का हो गया है और उसने अपनी कोई दशा और दिशा तय नहीं की है इन लाइफ, जीवन में। इन दिस फेमस वर्क ऑफ हिज वी डू नॉट सी ए सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ ए बर्थडे। ये जो फेमस कहती है इसमें हम देखते हैं कि मिल्टन कोई भी जश्न अपने बर्थडे पर नहीं मनाता है। वी डू नॉट सी ए सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ ए बर्थडे, अपने जन्मदिन पर कोई भी सेलिब्रेशन नहीं करता है। बट ए प्रॉब्लम क्या करता है, जबकि बट से क्या हो गया, दूसरी इसकी कमी बताता है समस्या, दैट द यंग जेंटलमैन फेस एज हिज टाइम पासेज बाय, जो यंग जेंटलमैन होता है टाइम पासेज बाय मतलब समय के निकलने के साथ बहुत समस्याओं का सामना करता है। द ऑथर यूजेस मेनी मेटाफर्स, मेटाफर्स यानी रूपक, जो ऑथर है इसने इस पोयम में बहुत रूपकों का यूज किया है, उपयोग किया है। रूपक कैसे, स्टोलन टाइम विंग्स, आपने पोयम में पढ़ा था, समय को चतुर चोर बोला है मिल्टन ने, और भी बहुत रूपों का इसमें प्रयोग किया है। John Milton calls time a suitable thief. John Milton whatever I am writing on the black on the board you have write in your notebook, it's compulsory. John Milton calls time, John Milton calls time, John Milton calls time a suitable thief, a suitable thief, a of youth, of youth, of youth, and according to him, and according to him, according to him, it is time that according to him, it is time, it is time that has stolen, that has stolen, that has stolen his 23 years, that has stolen his 23, that has stolen his 23 years, 23 years. In fact, this is quite true. In fact, this is quite true. In fact, this is quite true. In fact, this quite true because time is responsible. Quite true because time is responsible. Time is because time is responsible for the aging, for the aging, for the aging. क्या है एजिंग? एजिंग मतलब उम्र बढ़ने के साथ साथ उम्र बढ़ने ऑफ द वुमेन, एजिंग, एजिंग, एजिंग ऑफ द वुमेन, एजिंग ऑफ द वुमेन, एजिंग ऑफ द वुमेन बॉडी, woman body, aging of the woman body, and as time goes by, and as time goes by, and as Time goes by. Time goes by. Pupils. Time goes by. Time goes by. Pupils get older and older. Get older and older. Get older and older. Sometimes flies so that sometimes John Milton was time a suitable thief, cunning thief, चतुर चोर of youth. उसकी जवानी को ले गया and according to him और उसके अनुसार it is time that has stolen his 23 years. उनके अनुसार जो समय है वो उनके 23 सालों को चुरा ले गया. इन फैक्ट के तभी दिस इज क्वाइट ट्रू. यह बिल्कुल सही है. बिकॉज क्योंकि टाइम इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द एजिंग. क्योंकि समय जिम्मेदार होता है, उत्तरदायी होता है उम्र बढ़ने और द ह्यूमन बॉडी. मानव के शरीर की जो समय है वो जिम्मेदार होता है. एंड एज टाइम गोज बाय पीपल गेट. और जैसे जैसे समय जाता है लोग व्रत और वृद्ध या उनकी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बढ़ती जाती है. ये टाइम की ही, समय की ही रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. कोई भी इसमें बोलता है इसमें इंसान की कोई गलती नहीं है. जैसे जैसे समय आगे बढ़ेगा इंसान ओल्डर देन ओल्डर होता जाएगा. समटाइम sometimes flies so fast, sometimes flies so fast, sometimes flies क्या समय के लिए है. कभी कभी समय इतनी तेज उड़ता है that we do not really notice that we do not really notice. We do not really notice this. We do not really notice this. John Milton says that John Milton says that time is a word. Time is a word. Time is a word which flies very fast. Which flies very fast. Which flies very fast. Which flies very fast. A proof of this statement. A proof of this statement. A proof of this statement comes from line 2. Comes from line 2. ये लाइन 2 किसके लिए है? आप पोयम की जो सेकंड लाइन है उसमें देखो. When the author refers to time, when the poet refers to time, R-E-F-E-R-S, refers to time as the one who has stolen his youth. One who has stolen stolen his youth on his wing, you know, sometimes life so fast, कभी कभी समय इतनी तेज भागता है that we do not really notice, हम हकीकत में उसे नोटिस नहीं कर पाते हैं। जॉन मिल्टन कहता है कि टाइम इज ए बर्ड, समय पक्षी है, विच फ्लाइज वेरी फास्ट, जो कि बहुत तेज उड़ रहा है। ए प्रूफ ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट, और इस स्टेटमेंट को प्रूफ करने के लिए उन्होंने अपनी पोएम की सेकंड लाइन में कहा है कि वन हु हैड स्टोलन हिज यूथ ऑन हिज विंग, कि वो समय पक्षी रूपी है जो उसकी यूथ को ले गया। ये आपकी समरी थी। अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट पोएम के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। ए सॉन्ग फॉर सेंट सेसिलिया डे, जो कि फर्स्ट यूनिट की आपकी जो लास्ट पोएम है, ये पोएम यहीं पर खत्म हुई। ओके स्टूडेंट।